Hey you guys, what's up? So today I'm here to showcase one of my tool. It's very basic and simple tool. I mainly use this tool for copying weight maps of any deformers. Mostly it will be useful for riggers or CFX artists. So let me give a small presentation of this tool. How does this tool works? So basically I have created two sphere over here, as you can see, and I have already applied two deformers, deformer 1 on the polysphere 1 and deformer 2 on the polysphere 2. So right now if you see the weight map of the deformers, so it's basically like complete white, right? Now if I paint little bit over here and I want to copy this weight map to this deformer. So basically from deformer 1 to deformer 2 I want to copy the weight map, right? So for that I need to open this UI, this tool, and just load the driver mesh, the driven mesh, refresh it. We will get all the deformers over here, like whatever deformer may be there in the mesh, you will get all the list, the entire list. It is almost like a connection editor. You can just select the two deformer and copy weight. Now if you check the weight map of this deformer, it has been copied properly, right? So it's very basic, and if you want this weight map to like follow the driver mesh, weight map of the driver mesh, what you can do, you can just it is already been selected, you can just click on the follow. Now if we, let's say, if we paint little bit more over here, let's add little paint over here. So now you can see it is following the weight map of the driver mesh. You can keep it if you want, or you can just click on the unfollow to break the connection between these two weight map. And then yeah, that's it. It's a very basic tool, and this is the source code for the tool. If you need the source code, you can just DM me. I'll directly mail you the source code. So yeah, let's meet in another video with a new tool. Thank you.
Fearless.